My name is Vidamrit Singh, and today I wish to speak a few words on a very important subject. As we all know, for any nation to exist, land is important. But beyond land and people, the most essential element of a nation is its culture, its Sanskriti. If its Sanskriti is lost, then land cannot truly be called a nation. So, that is why the protection of our Vedic and Sanatan culture is our most priority. We must be ready to protect it at any cost, because history shows us that when a nation loses its culture, it loses its identity. और हम नहीं चाहते कि हमारा हाल भी पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश के हिंदुओं की तरह हो जाए, where once the nation was ours, the people were ours, the land was ours, the rights were ours. But when the culture was destroyed, you can see the condition for yourselves. So it becomes our duty कि हम अपनी culture की रक्षा करें. Today, we must ask ourselves one very honest question. How will we protect our own culture if we keep our own children disconnected from it? क्योंकि आज के बच्चे they demand proof. They do not want to only read books and listen to old stories. They also want to experience, feel and see history. And they are right. तो हम उन्हें क्या दिखाएंगे? For example, when children travel to metropolitan cities like Delhi and see names such as Hazrat Nizamuddin and cities like Aligarh, Farrukhabad, Ahmedabad, they naturally assume that these figures must have done something great for our nation. And they read about them. But at the same time, they are rarely taken to Gurukuls or introduced to any saints. And that's why we should acknowledge our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who, despite opposition, took steps to rename the places. And honor our Sanatani Veer Virangas, restoring historical balance. But however, some people still argue कि GDP पर तो ध्यान नहीं दे रहे, महंगाई तो कम नहीं हो रही, pollution तो घट नहीं रहा. To them, I would like to say this clearly: we can tolerate any hardships, we can wear masks, we can do anything. But agar, if our situation ever becomes like that of Hindus in Bangladesh, then survival itself will become difficult. Let us reflect with a simple example. Abhi Diwali par, how many children do you see celebrating it with full enthusiasm? Hardly 20 या 30 बच्चे, वो भी एक busy road पर. But recently, during Christmas, observe the same surrounding. You will understand the reality yourself. We are already facing a cultural challenge, जो आगे चलकर बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा. इस पर एक बात याद आती है, and I would like to recall it, कि आज का मुसलमान कल का डरा हुआ हिंदू था, आज का मुसलमान कल का डरा हुआ हिंदू था, और आज का मुसलमान कल का सेकुलर हिंदू होगा. So it becomes very, very important that we make sure our youth understand what our dharma is, and the protection of our Sanskriti is our dharma. But of course, to face such a challenge, courage is required, and that courage comes from organization, awarenesses. As far as I understand, these courages come from organizations, and Arya Samaj is one such an organization that is truly Vedic in spirit. And if we truly want to make our culture survive, we should understand this reality today, that we have become a minority in 9 states. समझ पा रहे हैं आप? अल्पसंख्यक हो चुके हैं हम 9 राज्यों में. If you all do not want this number to increase, तो तैयार हो जाओ मेरे समाजवासियों, क्योंकि समय आ गया है कि हमारे समाज का प्रचार प्रसार करें और अपने बच्चों को तैयार करें, क्योंकि सिर्फ माला जपने से कुछ नहीं होगा, भाला भी चलाना आना चाहिए, भाला भी चलाना आना चाहिए. And also I would like to focus on a very important wing of Arya Samaj, which is Arya Veer Dal. जितना हो सके, we should send our children there to make them strong and capable. So why do we call ourselves the soldiers of Maharishi Swami Dayananda Saraswati Ji? If we allow certain circumstances to overpower us, यदि हम चाहते हैं अपने राष्ट्र की, अपने सिद्धांतों की, अपने अपने कल्चर की रक्षा करना चाहते हैं तो मैं एक लौता सोल्यूशन आपको दे सकता हूं और वो सोल्यूशन का नाम है आर्य समाज। यही एक लौता सोल्यूशन है जिससे हम बच सकते हैं। तो हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार। अगर देश के काम ना आए तो जीवन बेकार। हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार। And I would like to end my part with a line कि आर्य समाज ना होता तो वेदों का ज्ञान नहीं होता। हिंदी हिंदू सब होते मगर हिंदुस्तान नहीं होता। धन्यवाद।